lovely kids. How are you all? I hope all of you are alive and kicking. So class 4, today we are here to discuss our chapter 7 of grammar, and that is kinds of noun. What is the name of our chapter? Kinds of noun. Let me tell you about nouns first. What is noun? It is the name of place, person, thing or an animal. What is noun? It is the name of a place, person, things or an animal. किसी व्यक्ति, वस्तु या स्थान के भाव को क्या कहते हैं? संज्ञा. किसी व्यक्ति, वस्तु या स्थान के भाव को क्या कहते हैं? संज्ञा. Now we have 4 kinds of noun. Let me tell you the examples of nouns first. Its examples are, suppose if we are talking about name of a place, we can name any of the place. Suppose if you want to name Gannor, it is a place, name of place. If you want to name about a person, Rahul, it is the name of a person. Things, chair. Animal, cat, etc. Now let us discuss about kinds of noun. Let us discuss about kinds of noun. Nouns कितने प्रकार की होती है? It is of 4 kinds. 4 प्रकार की होती है ये, and those are common, proper, collective, abstract. What are those? Common, proper, collective, abstract. Is it clear up to here, everyone? We have 4 kinds of noun. First one is common, second is proper, third is collective, and the fourth one is abstract. Now let me tell you about all these nouns. We will discuss about common noun first. Common noun. The word name common. Common means saman, एक जैसा. If we want to name any of the place, means general name of a place, person, thing or an animal. What is common noun? It is a noun, a general name of a place, person, thing or an animal. For example, house. It is a common noun. It is easily understood कि घर, सबका घर होता है और उसको हम किस नाम से बुलाते हैं? House. Cat. Cat is common for everyone. Is it? Next is brother, sister, etc. All these nouns are to be called in collective nouns. Now let us talk about proper noun. Our second kind of noun is proper noun. Proper means exact. बिल्कुल exact, specific. अगर हम इसकी बात करें proper noun की, अगर हम किसी सिटी का नाम लेते हैं, तो उसका अगर पर्टिकुलर नेम होगा, पर्टिकुलर थिंग का नाम होगा, पर्टिकुलर पर्सन का नाम होगा, पर्टिकुलर एनिमल का नाम होगा. ऐसा तो है नहीं. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट कि हम कैट को किसी और नाम से बुला लें. इन हिंदी वी कैन कॉल इट by any other name, but if we'll talk about English, we cannot call cat by any other name. Suppose if we are talking about proper noun, then we have a particular name of a place, person, thing or an animal. For example, London. It is a particular name of a place. If we'll talk about any other, Red Fort. Red Fort. It is a particular name of a monument. Tuesday. It is a particular name of a day of week. It is a particular day of week. Is it clear up to here, everyone? If you have any doubt up to here, or if you have any doubt throughout the video, you can call me at my personal video. Now let us discuss about the fourth one, and that is, what was that? Collective. What was that? Collective. Word collective. What does it sound? कैसी sound कर रहा है ये? Collect. Collect means, who will tell me? What is the meaning of collect? इकट्ठा. What is the meaning of collect? इकट्ठा. किसी चीज को ग्रुप में करना. A group of person, a group of animals, a group of things are to be counted in collective noun. For example, a team of players. A team of players. Players की team. A bunch of flowers. A bunch of flowers. A bundle of sticks. A bundle of books. A bundle of books. All these are the examples of collective noun. Now let us come on our fourth point, and that was abstract. And that was abstract. I think all of you are enjoying. If you are, then let me know. Last one is abstract noun. What is last? Abstract noun. Noun which tells us about our ideas, thoughts and feelings. It refers to our ideas, thoughts and feelings. Refers to ideas, thoughts and feelings. किसी चीज के लिए, किसी चीज को महसूस करना, किसी चीज के लिए आइडिया देना, किसी चीज को सोचना, वो सारी चीजें हमारी किस में काउंट होती हैं? किस में काउंट होती हैं? Abstract noun. For example, he is a kind person. He is a kind person. वह एक दयालु इंसान है. यह हमारी क्या बता रहा है? Feelings. क्या बता रहा है ये हमारी? Feelings. Is it clear up to here, everyone? Is it clear? Okay. Our second example is, she is looking gorgeous. She is looking gorgeous. वह बहुत सुंदर लग रही है. Is it clear up to here, everyone? So it is over from my side, class 4th. Still you have any doubt, you can contact me on my personal window class. Thank you, everyone.